Looking to apply for free WhatsApp Business API for your business? You're at the right place. Don't worry, it's not a clickbait. It's completely true. With AI Sensei, you can apply for WhatsApp Business API at no cost and keep it live forever. Yes, without any cost. By using WhatsApp Business API, you can unlock features like broadcasting messages, automating conversations, payments, forms, and many more. Hi everyone, my name is Nidhi, a customer success specialist at AI Sensei. In this video, I will be guiding you throughout a complete steps for applying free WhatsApp Business API with AI Sensei. Let's first start with the requirements for WhatsApp Business API. You will need a Facebook Business Manager account where you have a manager access. Secondly, you will need a fresh number which is inactive on WhatsApp as well as on WhatsApp Business app. Or you can use your existing WhatsApp number, but you'll have to delete the account first. Alternatively, we also provide virtual numbers that you can use for your API. These don't require a SIM card and are ideal for WhatsApp Business API. Once you have all these ready, here's the process to apply for WhatsApp Business API. First, you need to sign up on AI Sensei platform by going to app.aisensei.com/signup. If you have already signed up, skip ahead to the next step. You can sign up with your Google account or use another business email by filling out the form. Next, enter your business details like company name, size, industries, billing currency, and time zone to personalize your experience. Once done, click on Complete Sign Up to activate your free AI Sensei plan. Now, let's fill in the WhatsApp API procurement application in AI Sensei's dashboard. Click on Continue with Facebook to start the application process for WhatsApp Business API. This will open up a pop-up dialog asking you to log in to your Facebook account and continue. On the screen, read the permissions shared and click Get Started to connect your Facebook account with AI Sensei. Once you have done this, you need to choose the correct Facebook Business Manager account on which you wish to get the API, or if you don't have a Facebook Business Manager access, you will have to create a new Facebook Business Manager by entering your business details. If you need help in creating a Facebook business account, you can view this doc listed in our help center. Now, fill up your business details including your WhatsApp business account name. Please note that this name is not the display name you need for WhatsApp Business API, which will be visible to your end users. This name can be anything related to your business. Coming to the WhatsApp Business display name, this is the section where you will need to choose the display name for your WhatsApp business profile and will be visible to all your users when they open your WhatsApp profile. Example, if your business name is Physicswala, you can use Physicswala as your display name. Next, select your category and continue. Now, you need to add a number on which you want to procure the WhatsApp Business API. Remember, like we said, this number should not be active on WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app. Make sure the number is connected and available to receive code via SMS or voice for the verification. After adding your number, press Send Code. Enter the OTP you will receive on this number and that's it. If you see this screen, your WhatsApp Business API application has successfully submitted to Meta. Tap Finish and wait for a few moments. This generally takes 5 to 24 hours for your API to get live. Once your API is live, you can book a free training call in your preferred language to understand how to use AI Sensei for your business. We hope this video made it easy for you to apply for free WhatsApp Business API. Thanks for watching.